In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a table in Microsoft Word. Resizing tables is a simple skill that makes a huge difference in how clean and professional your documents look. Maybe your table looks too cramped, or it's stretched awkwardly across the page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust the overall table size, as well as individual rows and columns, so everything fits your content nicely. Let's start with the basics. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and click anywhere inside the table you want to resize. As soon as you do that, you'll see the table handles appear. One of the most important handles is the small square in the bottom right corner of the table. This is your main resizing handle. Move your mouse over that bottom right handle until your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow. Then, click and drag. Dragging outward will increase the size of the table, and dragging inward will make it smaller. As you drag, keep an eye on how the text and cells adjust. When the table looks about the right size, release the mouse button. This is the quickest way to resize the entire table at once. Now, sometimes you don't want to resize the whole table, you just want to adjust certain columns or rows. To change a column's width, hover your mouse over the vertical border between two columns. When the cursor turns into a vertical double-headed arrow, click and drag left or right. You'll see that specific column become wider or narrower without affecting the rest of the table too much. For rows, the idea is similar. Hover over the horizontal border between two rows until the cursor becomes a horizontal double-headed arrow. Then, click and drag up or down to change the row height. This is especially useful if you have text that wraps onto multiple lines and you need more vertical space. If you want more precise control, you can also use the layout options on the ribbon. With your table selected, look for the Table Layout tab at the top of Word. Here, you'll find options to set exact measurements for row height and column width. You can type in specific values if you need everything to be perfectly aligned. As you experiment, remember you can always use undo if something doesn't look right. Take a moment to play around with the handles and borders, and you'll quickly get a feel for how your table responds. With these resizing techniques, you'll be able to create tables that are clear, readable, and neatly formatted every time.